Here are budget eats whenever you are visiting United States. Hey Jarelskis! Us Filipinos, whenever we are visiting US, makukulture siya ka talaga dun sa mga prices, lalo na kapag nag-convert ka na. Kaya naman here are tipid tips para ma-enjoy mo ang US trip mo without breaking your bank. McDonald's, Raising Cane's, Steak and Shake, and Dunkin' Donuts are fast food chains that are relatively reasonably priced naman. You can get your snacks and meals for as low as $5 up to $15. Depende na lang sa'yo kung anong gusto mong itry. Starbucks naman para sa kape kung nakakaluwa. Pero ang savior talaga para sa kape ay Dunkin' Coffee. Around $3, extra large na yung kape mo, gising ka na buong araw. Kapag na-miss mo na ang rice, Chinese restaurants or Chinese fast food stalls ang savior mo. You can get your meals for a little over $10 to $15. Usually may rice and 2 dishes na yon. Sobrang lalaki at dami ng serving. Kung hindi ka masyadong malakas kumain, pwede mo pa siyang i-take out. If naka-check-in ka sa hotels, make sure to take advantage of the free unlimited breakfast sa umaga. Usually nagiging brunch na ito for me. So later in the